Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Financial Hub. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install the Trust Wallet app on your mobile device. So let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store if you are on Android or the Apple App Store if you are using iOS. Now tap on the search icon, usually located at the bottom right corner, and in the search bar at the top, and type Trust Wallet. Tap Search. Make sure to choose the official Trust Wallet developed by dApps platform. Before installing, double-check the logo, developer name and reviews to ensure you are downloading the genuine Trust Wallet app. Once verified, tap Install or Get on iOS and wait for the download to complete. It may take a few seconds depending on your internet speed. After the installation is finished, tap Open to launch the Trust Wallet app. And that's how you download Trust Wallet app. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.